And hello. We have a Jin Shin liver flow today. It's a self-help for the spring cleaning blog post. Hands have just gentle touch. Gentle touch. One goes right behind the occiput, and the other goes on the clavicle. And a nice relaxing breath, or two, or three. And then the hand goes to the rib, and several relaxing breaths. Gentle touch with the fingers, almost light as a butterfly. And then inside the knee, all within easy reach. And a few breaths. And the inside of the heel. And a few breaths. Inside the thumb pad. All the while keeping your other hand at the base of the occiput on the right side. A few breaths here. And then a shift of the hand to the other occiput over here. Repeat as often as you like. It goes along with all the spring greens in our diet, the green of our clothing, the green of the spring, and helps prepare our body for the active seasons ahead. Bye-bye.